Okay, so now we just need to add some audio. So I'd like to have a sound play when my character collides with that diamond. So I have in your folder a sound here that you can use. Bing. So every time you run into it. I just got that from a free sound effects website, which is listed on the page in Canvas. Okay, so there are several steps to this as well. We need to preload the audio, we need to create the audio and attach it to the screen or to the game, and then we need to play it at the specific times that we want it to, like when the player is colliding with the diamonds. So in my preload function, I need to preload my audio in. So to do that, if we look back at the other ones, game.load image, game.load tilemap, game.load sprite sheet is our other one. So this is just game.load audio. Bracket, bracket, semicolon, and with my other ones, we have an ID and the path. Same. So we're going to call it dia collect. You would name it something that makes sense for your game. And then again, it's assets slash, and the file was collect noise .mp3. Now you'll notice it is an MP3, so I've compressed it for the web. So that's something that you'll want to make sure you do beforehand. Now in the create, like I said, we want to attach our audio to the game. So not necessarily, like we're not playing it then, but we are wanting to add it, and then it's ready to use when we need it. So we're going to add the audio. Oh, well, Woodio. Add the audio to the game. Okay, so to do that, I am going to put it inside a variable again. So we'll call it collecting. And we're going to do a game. So with our text, game.add_text. Here we're doing game.add_audio. Bracket, bracket, semicolon. So you'll see for the more simple stuff like adding things, preloading things, it's the same syntax. You've just got to say what type of thing are you adding or preloading. And the thing we want to add is dia collect. Now that's the ID that we gave it in the preload. So if I just scroll back up here, right, that's this name here. Okay. Now we've created this new variable because we want to be able to access it everywhere. So again, I need to go up to that variable declaration block and add var collecting. So var collecting. So now we've got the audio basically loaded into this variable, and it's just waiting to be played in our game. Now we want this to play when our player collides with another player, or with a diamond. So we've got this collect function for that, right? Like this runs every time those two things overlap because of this overlap method up there. So in here, I'm just going to add the audio, play the audio. Simple statement here. The variable we put the audio in is called collecting. And what do we want to do? We want to play it. Bracket, bracket, semicolon. That's it. So now if I go play my game and I collide with a diamond, yay! And now I'm a winner, and so are you. Good work, everybody. Okay, now all you have to go do is tweak your game and add any extra functionality that you want. Good work.